How to back up Samsung phone to PC and laptop. So if you want to back up your Samsung phone to your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your preferred browser such as Google Chrome, and then you need to go with your search and search for Samsung Smart Switch. Look for the official Samsung website in the search. Click on the Smart Switch option. Once you're on the official Samsung Smart Switch page, you will see this kind of interface. You can just simply go with download. Download the software for both Windows and Mac. Click on the appropriate download button for your PC's operating system and wait for the download to complete. After the download is finished, you can just simply go with your files and then go and install. Just double click on the file and the download or the installation will start and you have your Samsung Smart Switch software on your PC. So once the installation is complete, open the Samsung Smart Switch software and take your Samsung device and connect it to your PC using a USB cable. When you connect the device, the Samsung Smart Switch app will automatically open on your mobile device. If it does, you can just simply go with more and open it manually on your mobile device. You will see a prompt asking for various permissions. You need to make sure to allow all of these permissions. Now, once you've connected to Smart Switch, you can access and back up all of your data. So just simply go and back up on your PC with your Samsung Smart Switch. Go with the backup option. Just click on the backup option and then you'll be prompted to choose the types of files that you want to back up. Select all the categories that you want to wish to back up and then click on backup, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Once done with your backup process, you need to come back to the same interface. Now disconnect your Samsung device, take the other device on which you want to restore the data. And then you can go with the second option, which is restore, and restore all of the information that you backed up from your previous device to your new device. And in this way, you'll be able to back up Samsung phone to your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.